In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Figma design file. Figma is cloud-based, which is great for collaboration, but sometimes you need a reliable offline backup, a version snapshot for your records, or a file you can archive or share outside your team's workspace. That's exactly what saving a local copy gives you, a .fig file that captures your design at a specific moment in time. Start by opening your Figma design file in either the desktop app or your web browser. Give it a second to fully load, especially if the file is large or includes multiple pages. Look for the confirmation that all changes are saved so you know you're capturing the most up-to-date version. Make sure you're in the correct file and workspace and that you have the permissions you need. If your project has several pages, components, and styles, that's fine. The local copy will include the content within this file. Next, head to the main menu. In the desktop app, you'll find it at the top left. In the browser, it's in the top bar of the Figma interface. Click File, then choose Save Local Copy. Figma will prepare a .fig file. If you're in the desktop app, your operating system will open a save dialog so you can pick a location. In a browser, your download may start automatically or prompt you to choose a folder, depending on your settings. Give the file a clear, consistent name, something like project name of version YYYMMDD, so you can quickly tell what it is later. Save it to a spot you'll remember, such as a dedicated backups folder or your team's versioned archive. The .fig format is the standard Figma package. It contains pages, frames, components, and styles, and prototypes that live inside this file. Keep in mind that linked libraries and fonts aren't embedded, they're referenced. If you open this .fig elsewhere, you'll want access to the same libraries and fonts for everything to look identical. A few quick tips to make your backup more dependable. Wait for the All Changes Saved indicator before you save locally, especially right after big edits. If your team follows naming or retention policies, use those so your files stay consistent. And remember, save local copy is different from duplicating a file in the cloud or exporting images. This is a complete, restorable file snapshot you can re-import into Figma later if needed. That's all there is to it. Open your design, go to File, and choose Save Local Copy. You now have a secure backup of your Figma work ready whenever you need it.